Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on your LG Smart TV. So basically, there is no need in manually enabling HDR mode on your TV, since the TV will automatically detect and enable HDR when compatible content plays through an HDR-compatible HDMI source, which means that if your external device supports HDMI picture quality and your HDMI cable can also supports transmission of this kind of picture quality, then your TV will automatically enable HDR. So for example, right now I have the PlayStation 5 connected to my TV, and the PlayStation 5 supports HDR images. Therefore, if I switch to it by pressing the input button on my remote control and selecting my HDMI port to which the PlayStation is connected to, I will see the HDR icon in the top right corner of my TV screen. But we can disable HDR manually on our TV, and to do so, just press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu. In gaming consoles, quick settings menu look this way. Let's go to all settings by selecting the gear icon once again. And now in all settings, select general, then navigate to the external devices menu. Now in external devices, select HDMI settings, then select HDMI Deep Color, and then select off. Now in my case, it will also disable the game optimizer, as game optimizer also automatically enables HDR mode on my TV. So right now this console is displaying content in regular mode without HDR, but if I switch to it once again, the TV will tell me to re-enable HDR mode, most probably. Oh, right now it's not happening, but usually it does. So that's how we can disable HDR. And to re-enable it, we can do this either by going to the same menu in settings and enabling our deep color in general, external devices, and then HDMI settings, deep color. Here we can enable 4K, or we can just if it's the gaming console that you want to enable or disable the HDR content for, and it would be better if we just go to general, then select game optimizer, and then turn the game optimizer on, as it will enable the HDR and all the other optimization features. And as you can see, the HDR is back again enabled. So that's how you do it on your LG TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.